So there's tons of e-commerce stores out there, some doing tens of millions, some even hundreds of millions. But in today's video, we're gonna take it all the way back down to a smaller scale. We're gonna look at a six-figure a year store, most likely six-figure a year. It could be seven, but I'm guessing it's six, so that you can see the simplest strategy that you can get started on with $0 to make an income. Now, as you see on my screen, I have been running a challenge using ChatGPT and Shopify, and yesterday we reached our first 1K day. So we made over $1,000 in revenue yesterday, starting from literal zero a few weeks ago. So now this is gonna be an income generating machine, which is super cool. But that's not what this video is about, because we are running ads for this, which means you will need to invest money if you wanna kickstart your business through Meta ads, which is what we're using. So let's get right into breaking down this store that I'm talking about. However, I do wanna preface this by saying, please do not copy this person, okay? Don't try to just rip them off completely of what they're doing. Because remember, this is not like $100 million brand out here. This is just someone like you and I just trying to make their store a success so that they can have more freedom in their lives, or maybe they just want to be more independent, or maybe it's their side hustle, whatever the reason is. Don't try to jeopardize their business. Try to use this and be unique with your own brand. So the store is called My Capybara Plush. And if you've been on TikTok, you've probably seen this a little bit. It's the silliest product ever. But it just goes to show how sometimes it really is just about finding products that you can make good, funny content around. As you see, this store is quite simple, just using the Sense theme, some reviews, etc. I definitely think the lander could be a little bit better if they use our Shopify brand starter kit. It's $20 and it comes with an optimized template, the same one that we're using for our $1,000 a day store here that we built from scratch. So make sure you check that out on your own time. But ultimately, this product doesn't solve any sort of issue, right? I mean, it's just a unique looking product. And that's why it does well on TikTok. So the great thing about it, though, is that this person probably just ordered this off of Amazon, AliExpress, maybe Alibaba, who knows, and then just started making content around it right away. It's just silly content. But as you see, this initial video that they launched has 11 million views, and they're actually running it as a Spark ad. So it's not just going viral. It's also being ran as a Spark ad, which is running paid ads to an existing video. So as you see, we have it pulled up, and it's just the silliest video I've ever. Unboxing my capybara. Like, of course, that's a good hook, and here's why. Capybaras have been trending for a while now. It's just because they're a really silly-looking animal. They're kind of cute. They can be domesticated. So they've just been like a funny meme for some reason. And this person just found a plush one, which is really unique. And, saying unboxing my capybara, like, of course that's going to get, that's going to be intriguing. Because as you see in the comments, people are saying that, they thought it was real. If you go here, you can see it's just the plush. And that's it. That's the whole video. 11 million views and, over 1 million likes. Again, this was going viral initially, but then they just started to spend. They probably made some sales with it, right? Let's say they made like $1,000. And then they started reinvesting some of that money into amplification. That's what you should consider paid media as. Is amplification. So now they're amplifying the product by buying ads on TikTok, and it's doing really well. I don't know how well this would work on Meta, but I would definitely love to test it on Meta just to see how well it can do. But now they're just continuing to make silly content like this. Here's another viral one. This one has 3.8 million views. When you order a capybara for your girlfriend, but it's vacuum sealed. It's just silly, fast-paced videos. And you can see whoever's running this is super young too. Like, you can see it in their hands. They haven't been through much yet in life. I'm just kidding. But you know what I mean. Like, this is just somebody probably in high school or college that's getting their, store up and running. So please do not try to copy them. Do not try to jeopardize their brand in any way. Just copy this strategy, because there's literally a billion products out there that you could create a business around. Or maybe you have your own idea that you can create a business around. Maybe you don't even go find winning products out there. But interestingly enough, this product right here is just a plush toy, but the marketing here is what's carrying it. And also the product itself is unique, right? I mean, I've never seen a capybara plush, and it just so happens that those guys are trending right now. But yeah, just a really good example here that I wanted to share with you briefly. I came across this on TikTok and thought it was a great example to show you. But with that said, that's about it. See you in the next video. Peace.